Experience stylish, peaceful living in Southwest Houston, Meyer Oaks Apartments. Conveniently located in the heart of Meyerland, Meyer Oaks Apartments offers a range of 1, 2, and 3-bedroom spacious apartments furnished with everything you need and more, including wood-style floors, wall-to-wall carpet, ceiling fans, mini blinds, spacious rooms, large walk-in closets, elegant crown molding along with balconies and patios. And that's not all. Meyer Oaks Apartments also boasts a fabulous range of communal amenities. Take a dip in one of the 3 sparkling pools, work out at the newly upgraded fitness center, or simply enjoy a quiet walk in our courtyard after a long day. And with an on-site laundry system, keeping your wardrobe clean and fresh would be a breeze. What's more, you can always bring your furry friends to your new apartment since the apartments are 100% pet-friendly, and the location, it's unbeatable. Reach the Houston Community College with just a 10-minute drive, hop on a bus, and be at Rice University in 30. In addition, you're just 8 miles from downtown Houston, with easy access to major public transport networks whenever you want to get out of town. Loving what you've seen so far? Head to amberstudent.com and reserve your home today.